You clever lot of landlubbers have picked a perfect time to visit. Today, Captain Georgie and her crew make their victorious return from defeating the Red Pirate. Once again, Skeleton Bay be filled with treasure, celebration, and of course, hides.
Salty. Aye, Captain. Gunny. good sea dog.
Now, Booty here is a first-rate pirate, but he's always falling asleep. I know, shipmates. After 3, let's all shout, "Wake up, Booty!" Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Booty! Oh no, we need to be much, much louder. Let's have another go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What did I miss?
Nice of you to join us, Booty. Now let's get back to the drill. Follow us, shipmates. Attention! Face front.
Face front.
Salute.
Salute.
Aye.
Aye.
All hands on deck.
All hands on deck.
Collapse off your feet.
1, 2, 3.
Pirates say, oh, at ease. You deserve a rest after all that pirating. Where's that treasure chest gone? Lads, get it open. Need a hand, lads. It was open. Now, there's something in here more precious than gold.
Mackerel.
No, Booty. It's the gem of Barracuda Bay.
Barracuda Bay?
Now, this gem is under an evil curse. And if it's in the wrong hands, it can be very dangerous. So it must be kept safely locked away in the treasure chest. Now, who can we trust to look after it? Anybody? Oh, well, volunteer Booty. You're on the first watch. And the rest of us can unpack our trunks. Now, shipmates, if Booty here falls asleep and you see any bad pirates go anywhere near that chest, we need you to shout, "Wake up, Booty!" All right, come on, lads. And Booty, remember, don't fall asleep. Bye-bye.
Don't fall asleep, Booty. Don't fall asleep. Booty, fall asleep. And so, all was calm on Skeleton Bay. But while Booty dreamt of mermaids and adventure, the flying pig was about to receive some uninvited visitors. Cold Stud.
This way, Billy.
And Billy Bulldozer. Oh!
The big bad boss wants that gem, and we need to get it for him.
Get it for him.
Follow me.
Follow me.
get out of here!
Let's get out of here!
Oh, will you just...
Hold it right there, Colston. Billy Bulldozer. You want that gem? You're gonna have to get past me.
And me.
Pirates, say aye! Oh no! The baddies are getting away with the gem. Come on now. Get it! We need your help! Dear, Colston's got the gem. Come on. Yes, Booty has the gem! Oh no, you go, Colston! Devil, do something! Oh, hey! Go on, get that gem, Booty! Oh, well done, people. Booty! What are you doing on the floor? Get up, lad! Come on! You're not supposed to be a pirate. Oh no, look what you've done now, Booty. The baddies are getting away with the gem! Come on, shipmate. Let's give them a really loud go! You can be louder than that. I said let me hear you go! Are you ready? Aim. Fire! Oh, yes! Well, salty! Oh, God, well done. Excellent teamwork. Go on, take a bow. Yay! Was that you? That's very good. The gem! The gem! Yes! Oh, that's right, Johnny, bring it over here. And I will keep it safe. Wait, no, Booty, behind you! The other way! Woohoo! The day you ever tried to steal from the pirates of Skeleton Bay. Get ready to take a long walk off a short plank. Hope you can swim. Any last words?
Actually, I've got two. Pirate Captain!
Who?
You'll see. Laters, taters.
Oh, shiver me timbers, look! It's a pirate! Quickly crew, protect the bay! Don't you worry, shipmate, I've got a plan! Junior pirate number 1, I hope you're ready, we need your help! Ready, aim, fire! Oh no! We'll try though, Junior pirate number 1. Don't worry, we'll get you next time. All right, come on, crew. Let's do this. Come on, I need your help. No. What do you mean, no? You are useless. Come on, shipmate, you'll help me, won't you? Let me hear your loudest boo. No, I know you can be louder than that. I said, let me hear you boo. Excellent work. Now, who are you?
Who am I? I am the fearsome, fearless, peerless pirate captain.
Hello?
Pirate captain?
Rubbish name.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, it's a bit
Look,
rubbish.
all the other names were taken.
Oh, still.
Silence!
No, I want that gem.
Never. I'll protect it if it's the last thing I do.
It may well be. I challenge you to a duel! Captain to captain, one on one.
do you say?
Don't do it, Captain.
I must. As captain, I must protect Skeleton Bay. I accept. Pirates say, come here, you.
Come on, shipmates. Georgie, Georgie.